Hey guys, what's going on? This is Aaron Linson with another LP podcast network audio clip thing podcast for you guys, whatever you guys want to call this. I'm going to actually do something that I've actually found Windows 10 to be actually quite good at. And that is when you have a application, so in my instance, like the Microsoft Suite, or even the audio editor that I use, Reaper, and actually we'll do something really, really cool. So I'm actually going to hit the start menu.
Start window. Go to the window. Search box and display.
And before I try to knock over stuff on my desk, I'll set that down there. I do have shortcuts on my desktop, but I tend to always go to the start menu. So say if I wanted to bring up my Twitter client on the computer, which is Chicken Nugget, I just had to type in
Chicken Nugget. Desktop app 105.
check, and it starts
Desktop
there.
list. Google Chrome 6 of 14.
If I
Window. Search
want
box
to type in a game that I'm addicted to now, thanks to somebody on Twitter, you know who you are, I just had to type in Eurofly.
Desktop.
Or try to type in
Eurofly.
Eurofly.
Desktop app 105.
There it is.
Desktop list. Google
So,
Chrome 6 of 14. Start window.
I'm going to hit the start menu again. I'm going to type in Reaper.
Reaper. Desktop app 105.
Sometimes I just got to type in the 3 characters. Sometimes I got to type in 4. Haven't tried to figure out how many characters I do have to type to find the program. But say I want to find a project that I'm wanting to work on. And actually, I did this morning when me and the wife and a friend of ours were tracking something. I put up the Reaper program here, and below the program you have assets allocated to the program. Basically, that means you have files. In the case of Word, you have Word documents. Excel, you've got spreadsheets. PowerPoint, you've got presentations, all that kind of stuff below the list of the program. So
remember the good things. Take one unedited.rpp. Remember the good
so
things.
that
Take one unedited. D2 of.
that is a song that my wife has written that is in the words, and it actually shows you where the path of the file is.
Jesus is there. Take 2 unedited.rpp.
There's
Jesus is there.
that one too, and I can actually hit the application key,
Open
and
project. A new instance of Reaper 1 of 4.
I can open the project in a new instance of Reaper.
Open project as template in Reaper 2 of 4.
I can open this as a template.
Properties 3 of 4.
I can see the properties for this.
Remove from this list for a 4.
I can remove it from the list, so if I don't ever want to see it again, I don't have to.
Open project. A new instance of Reaper.
And that's all you get in the applications
Desktop list.
menu. But that is a really, really neat way, I think, to find instances of a
Word. Desktop
document.
Find results in apps. Word. Find results in apps. Find results in apps 2 of 7.
And be able to find stuff. So Word, it used to.
Word. Find results in apps.
I'm going
Word.
to
Desktop app 103.
find result in the apps.
WordPad. Word. Desktop app 105. No.
And
English. United States.
I don't have a lot in Word like I used to. But when I was going through college, I could just type in Word and bring up my most recent research paper. But so that's the way that I use the Windows Start menu and search. And for me, it's an easy way to find something. So if I wanted to find Windows Media Player, just type in Windows Media.
Windows Media Player. Desktop.
There it is. I can hit Control A, hit backspace to delete this. And this basically what this is this is the Cortana system within the start menu. So I can actually look for settings too. So if I wanted to, say, change a default program, say if I wanted to change my mail client, I could just have to
System settings 1 of 7.
type in DE, and it brought up the setting for default app settings. And I could go in here,
Settings.
hit in on this,
Email.
and I could change that if I wanted to.
Desktop list.
So
Google.
it's a really useful feature for Windows 10. Unfortunately, Mac OS doesn't have this. It does have Spotlight search, but it's not as advanced as this. And I'm really enjoying this feature. So this has been Aaron Linson with the LP Podcast Network. You can follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Linson Productions LLC. Follow us on Twitter, Linson_Pro. That's LINSON_Pro LLC. You can email us, linsonproductionsllc@gmail.com. That's all one huge word, LINSON Productions LLC@gmail.com. You can also give us a call at 502-536-9131. All your comments will be either read and or used on other shows. So please use the phone line to let your voice be heard on topics and suggestions and other podcasts, so you can leave feedback and we can leave feedback for you. You can also, just follow us on Twitter and Facebook and all that other kind of stuff for updates like this. I'll see you guys in the next podcast. Bye-bye.